Hey traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are diving into something big. We just want to look at the best all-in-one indicator for the most accurate trend trading strategy. Okay, so if you have ever struggled with juggling multiple indicators, filtering out noise, or identifying the best trade entries, this video is for you. This single tool combines trend confirmation, momentum, and volatility analysis into one system, making your strategy more efficient and your trades more precise. Stay with me until the end because I'll be showing you exactly how to set it up, the best settings to use, and of course, a couple of examples to help you master it. Now, let's be real. Yeah, most traders use a combination of indicators like moving averages, RSI, and Bollinger Bands to analyze trends, right? But what is the problem? Too much information can lead to confusion. Okay. Now, the best all-in-one indicator actually depends on your trading style. Okay. But we are going to be looking at some of the most powerful and widely used indicators that combine multiple aspects of trend analysis, momentum, and volatility. Okay, so first of all, let us look at the combo of the super trend and RSI indicators. All right. Okay, so this is the super trend ATR plus RSI. You can see that it is a combo in one. Okay, now combining the principles of the super trend ATR and RSI, this indicator can help you identify trend direction, all right, alongside prevailing momentum in the market. Okay, so let me just bold in the indicators a bit, right? Let me just bolden them a bit. Okay, so when using the super trend ATR indicator, you will notice that this indicator would help you identify the prevailing direction of the trend. When the price is above the indicator, it's a buy trend, right? When price is trading above the indicator, being rejected, and the indicator serving as a dynamic support, it shows that it's a buy trend. And when price is trading below the indicator, being rejected from the indicator, while the indicator is serving as a dynamic resistance, it shows a sell trend, right? And then you watch out for the coloring of the indicator. Okay, you will notice that the purple remains the same, but the green changes to red and back to green and all of that. So whenever you have the color in green, it shows that bullish momentum is prevailing. All right, that shows that bullish momentum is prevailing. And when you have the color change to red, it shows that bearish momentum is prevailing. So you want to look for buy opportunities when bullish momentum is prevailing in a buy trend, and you want to look for sell opportunities when bearish momentum is prevailing in a sell trend. Okay, now in as much as this indicator can be effective, remember that there is no single indicator that is 100% accurate. Okay, so there could be false signals, but this indicator is quite effective. make sure that you always pay attention to your zones, your key levels, resistance levels, and support levels, because your market structure and price action analysis also help play a very key role in your analysis. Whenever this indicator gives you a signal, you can look at the prevailing structure and identify whether a sell signal is coming around a resistance zone and if a buy signal is coming around the support zone. Because when you have a sell signal around the resistance, it adds even more validity to that signal. And when you have a buy signal around the support, it adds even more validity to that signal. For example, here we can see that when we had a sell signal, the color of this line changed to red, showing that bearish momentum was prevailing or was about to set in. And it was about that same time we had a rejection from this resistance, right? We can see we had a double top formation around here. Can you see that? So coupled with this double top, we had a bearish signal from the super trend ATR plus RSI indicator. So that was a good time to enter a sell trade. So if you had entered a sell trade around here, your stop loss can just be above the previous swing high, of course, above that resistance zone. And then your take profit can be at the nearest support zone. All right. So the next indicator that we are going to be looking at is the TTM squeeze indicator. Okay. I'm just gonna remove this. All right. So the TTM squeeze indicator basically can also help you to identify the prevailing momentum in the market. This indicator provides momentum shifts and trend continuation signals. Basically, when you have the histogram bars above the zero level, it shows that there is a bullish momentum. And when the histogram bars are increasing in length, it shows that there is even stronger momentum at that time, right? You can see what happened here. This shows that there was strong buy momentum around here. Okay. And then same case for the sell. When you have the purple histogram bars below the zero level, it shows that there is bearish momentum. And the longer the bars, the more the bars are getting longer, the more it shows that there is significant bearish momentum in the market at the time. Okay, so when using this indicator, all you just have to watch out for are the position of the histogram bars with respect to the zero level. When the histogram bars are above the zero level, it's a buy trend. Okay, and when the histogram bars are below the zero level, it's a sell trend. All right, so just watch out for that. And then pay attention to the length of the bars, because the longer the length, the stronger the momentum, and the shorter the length, the weaker the momentum. So very quickly now, we're going to be looking at the wave trend. We're going to be looking at the wave trend oscillator very quickly before we round up. All right. So the wave trend oscillator combines moving averages and momentum tracking into a single indicator. It helps you identify trend strength and potential reversals. Now, as we can see, when you have the indicator at the extreme top level, it shows the possible overbought signal, and then a bearish reversal could be imminent. And you can see what happened, that shortly afterwards, when we have a bearish crossover, the blue line crossed below the red, we had a bearish move. Okay, and then when the indicators are within the bottom level, and you notice a bullish crossover, when the blue line crosses above the red, it gives you a buy signal, right? And then you can see that shortly afterward, we actually had a buy move. So paying attention to the crossovers and the bullish the bullish crossovers around the oversold territory and the bearish crossovers around the overbought territory. And also watching out for these dots. When you have a blue dot there, you have a precise buy signal. When you have a red dot there, you have a precise sell signal. So this indicator is quite effective. You can know when the bearish momentum is prevailing just with this indicator, and you can know when bullish momentum is prevailing as well. The indicator can help you know if the trend is going to continue. Perhaps you are in a buy trend, in a bullish, in a buy trade in a bullish trend, and then you notice that the price is being rejected around the support, and at that same time you get a precise buy signal and a bullish crossover by the wave trend oscillator. That shows that there's possibly a continuation coming up. Okay, on the other hand, if you want to identify a reversal, ensure you always use your trend lines. Okay, so perhaps you can see that there was a break of structure. Maybe you identified a break of structure, and then at the same time you notice that that the wave trend oscillator has created or has formed an overbought pattern that's happened around here, an overbought pattern, and the precise sell signals with 8 of the red dots appears. It shows that the trend reversal is probably valid, and you can see that this was the formation of a new trend, which was a sell trend in this case. Okay, so you might be wondering, what is the best choice for you? Well, for simplicity and accuracy, you can actually decide to try out either of these indicators and know which one works best for you. Okay, there are a whole lot of indicators that are effective. Okay, so I won't necessarily point out a single one and say that this is the best. All right, now these indicators I mentioned in this video are just a few indicators out of the many indicators that are effective, right? There are just a few out of the many indicators that can actually give you what you want. All right, so it's going to take a whole length of video to cover all the indicators that are possibly the best in quotes. All right, so you can decide to try out these few that we just highlighted that are giving signals that include both trend identification, continuation patterns, reversals, momentum. You can just try them out on demo accounts, and if the indicators work out well for you, you can then decide to add them to your live trading account. Okay, so if you are seeking indicators that can assist you in your trading journey, you might want to try these ones out. Okay, and just know if they work well for you. All right, in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.